If you are a beginner who's never made money online, this is the video for you. Make sure you save it so that you can refer again to it later. And if you know somebody who is trying to make money online, send them this video because it's going to be 10 minutes of pure value. I'm going to unpack this step by step. And I am somebody who's been doing this for more than 8 years. So I know what I'm talking about. And I'm not trying to pitch anything to you in this video. I'm not trying to sell you anything in this video. So you have absolutely nothing to lose by watching this video all the way until the very end. It's going to be 10 minutes of value. I promise you that. Let us get started right away. So the first thing, you've heard about making money online and you're interested. It's something that has captivated you. It's caught your attention because, maybe you're in corporate, maybe you're in high school, maybe you're in college, and you're thinking, hey, if I could make money online, my life would be a whole lot better. Well, yes and no, but that's a story for a completely different day. How do you get started? Step number one, you have to figure out this important question. What is money? Most people don't ask themselves that question. And the reason I'm going to talk about that first before I even get into the other steps is because there's so many people out here who think that when it comes to making money online, it's just some printing machine where you go and click some buttons on a computer somewhere and money is just going to be flipping and rolling into your bank account. That is not how it works. If that's the perception that you had, well, I'm sorry to burst your bubble. It does not work that way. So, what is money? Money is a tool for exchanging value, okay? Whether online or offline. If you don't have any value to offer to somebody in form of a product or a service that you can give in exchange for this money, then forget about it. You're not going to make any money online. But do not lose hope because that's not the end of it. It's actually 100% possible to make money online. So keep listening. There are 3 things you need to know about making money online. 3 levels to it. Before I get to those 3 levels, I'm going to talk about what are the steps you need to be taking as an absolute beginner. Where do you start? Step number 1, I want you to go to Google. I want you to go to Google and type on Google, find something called Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is a tool that will help you access information very quickly. You can ask it to do stuff for you, things like research. And the first thing I want you to type once you are on Perplexity AI, you could also do this on Google, but it's easier on Perplexity AI. Ask this tool, give me 50, give me 20, give me 30, give me 40 ways to make money online. So that's step number 1, finding out the methods. What are the methods that can be used to make money online? You will find things like Forex, you will find things like affiliate marketing, blogging, you will find things like drop shipping, drop servicing. There's a ton of them. Now, it's very important that you pay attention because the next step, once you've learned all the methods, is you're going to research a little bit about them so that you know what is affiliate marketing, what is blogging, what does it entail, what is content creation, what is influencer marketing, what is digital marketing, what is Forex. Learning and understanding what these things are will help you avoid scammers who are simply trying to sell you courses or trying to get you to join some referral program only for the sake of getting a quick buck out of you. This is very important. There are people who sell products. There are people who sell digital products in the name of courses, people who don't even do those things that they sell. They've never tried a single day. They teach what they've never done. They teach Forex, they've never done Forex. They teach affiliate marketing, they've never done affiliate marketing. They teach content writing, they've never done content writing. They teach drop shipping, they've never done it. They don't know the first thing about it. They went on the internet, they downloaded a bunch of stuff, put it together, and now they're telling you that you're going to make money with it when they don't make money with it. They've never done it. Don't fall into that trap, okay? Now, does that mean selling a course is bad? Of course not. I have a course. I sell courses, but I sell what I've done. And also, I don't sell my courses just to make money, which is why I don't allow everybody to buy my course. Why? Because just because you hear me talking about affiliate marketing does not mean it's going to make you money. It's not for everyone. Maybe you don't have the skills for it. Maybe you're not cut out for it. Even though you learn it, you might not enjoy it. Maybe you don't have the grit. Maybe you don't have the tenacity. Maybe you're not good at creating content. So learning what these things entail will help you understand when you're about to get scammed, and it will help you know which one of these things do I gravitate towards easily so that you can have an easier time, especially if you are new. Okay? Finding out what easily flows is good because that will make it easier to start your process of learning. Now, once you have all these things noted down, create a short list of the ones that really intrigue you. Narrow that list down all the way until you have just one skill, one thing, one method. Start with that. This is the next step, learning it. A lot of people are like, how do I start affiliate marketing? How do I start Forex? How do I? Learning it. Learn the skill. That's how you start. You learn the skill. You can't go out there and say, oh, how do I start farming? You learn. You learn it. Now, how do you learn? You learn either, you have two options here, on your own, or you pay somebody who is an expert. Don't just pay anybody you meet online. You've come across my video and you want to send me money. No, don't do that. Do your research. Value yourself. Value your money. Value your time. You have the option of doing this on YouTube for free. There's every info, even what I teach in my course is available on YouTube for free. Of course, the mentorship that I provide is not available on YouTube for free. And that is why it's recommended that you work with a mentor or somebody who's done this, because it will cut you the time. It will help you avoid scams. It will help you, not make the mistakes that you otherwise would have to if you did it all on your own. But that does not mean it's impossible to learn on your own on YouTube, on Google, and all these other platforms that are there, and hone the skill. Okay, now once you've learned this, it's time for implementation. I've taught so many people who don't implement don't get results. It's that simple. Just because you have the head knowledge, just because you know something, does not mean it's gonna make you money. You have to apply. Okay, don't be stuck in that constant learning loop of, oh, I need to learn this new thing, I need to learn this. Apply the knowledge that you've already learned. You're not going to be good in the first day. You might not even make any money the first month or 2 or 3. But guess what? It's okay, because you are learning something new. When a baby is learning how to walk, they don't just get up from their mom's tummy and start walking. It's okay to fail the first time. Don't be in a hurry. Learn the skill, hone the skill. Allow yourself to fail. It's part of the success, okay? Appreciate the time, because you cannot start today and expect to be as good as I am or as good as somebody else is at affiliate marketing, at Forex trading. You cannot compare my 10 years at something with your first month or 2 months or even your first year. It's not going to be the same. Now, looks like I'm running out of time. I'm going to talk about the 3 levels of making money in the next video. Please do me a favor, send this to somebody who needs to hear this, and make sure you stay tuned for the rest of the series, and I will be happy to see you in the next one. If you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Cheers.